Hi all! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Editorial makeup artist. Welcome to Easy Makeup Artist. And today I'm going to show to you kung ano yung isa sa mga gusto kong ginagawa na makeup aside from bridal, debut, prenup na ginagawa ko. This another side of me. Ito yung mga gusto ko talagang isa sa mga ginagawa. I really express myself, through this kind of makeup. Ito yung tinatawag naming editorial makeup. And this editorial makeup, depende kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Depende kung ano yung vibe, kung ano yung interpretation na look na gusto mong gawin. For editorial look, for me, actually makeup is really an art. Especially dito sa category na to na editorial makeup. You could express everything, anything with this kind of look. And may mga editorial looks naman na ginagamit sa commercial or sa photo shoot na depende naman kung ano ang i-ask sa'yo ng client mo. Okay, for this look guys, I'm going to create a smoky eyes. It's like a smoky eyes pero I'll be focusing more on the lower lash line ng eyes ko. It's more on a subtle eye color here and then it's more on the bold and smoky eye on the lower lash line. So usually kasi di ba pag gumagawa tayo na any eyeshadow, we emphasis more on the upper, So dito naman I'm going to create a editorial look that's more focusing on the lower lash line and then a subtle eyebrow, a subtle cheeks and a little contouring lang. Editorial look not necessarily na kailangan full contour or masyadong structured yung pag-makeup natin. Editorial is, it depends on kung ano yung theme, kung ano yung look na ini-aim, kung ano yung nire-require ni client. But for me, ang gusto kong i-aim today, it's a less contour, more on eyes, a subtle blush, and a bold lipstick. So, I'll do it na. So, keep on watching guys. Yan. So, for the brows, I used the Inglot gel brow liner. So, ito yung ginamit ko. So, I'm going to fix my brows a little bit lang. So, it's okay kung hindi gaano even yung eyebrows natin because always remember, they are not twins, they are sisters. So, meaning talagang may slight differences ang ating eyebrows natin. So, it's okay. As long as we make sure, we did our best na medyo magkaparesa ng kaunti. But again, it's okay. Na hindi talaga gaano pantay ang mga kilay natin. And then next, I'm going to brush my brows. This brow soap will help to adhere yung brows natin to make it more brush up tapos hindi siya gaanong babaksak or bababa. It helps to last your eyebrows all day, mag-last siya. So, ito. Okay tayo ng brow soap dito. Then, brush it up. Magandang i-aim for, I really want to aim this look na more on slight natural brows na naka-brush up siya. More on a slightly thick eyebrow. So guys, as you can see, this is how it looks kapag naka-brush up and if you're using a brow soap, it really adheres and it really stays up talaga yung hairs ng brows natin. So, it may look, sa malayo, it may look very, odd or parang awful. Pero, pag na-complete na yung eye look, you can see and you'll appreciate, yung editorial look, yung art behind it. So, I'm going to use BLK. This is a liquid eyeshadow. You could also use this as an eye base in the shade of I Love You. Saranghe. Diba? I'm going to use this as my overall color sa aking eyelid. Then you can blend it with your fingers. This one is like a copper shade. So, ang ganda-ganda niyang gawing eye base. It's like a gold shimmer shadow. This one I got from Teviant. It's Teviant eyeshadow palette in Madame Musel palette. So, I'm going to add a little shadow. And then tapping off the excess, no, and then tsaka nyo i-apply sa eyeshadow natin dito sa eyelid, patas, just to set the liquid foundation, sorry, the liquid eyeshadow. So now we have a upper eyeshadow sa taas, then it's time to do the lower part, and to make it more intense, I'm going to use a liquid matte lipstick. This is from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade of VIXEN natin. I really like yung look na editorial. Sabi ko nga kanina, it's an editorial, it's an art form. You can express yourself, you can create any colors, you can combine anything, you can use anything. May nakikita kayo sa mga magazine na iba nilalagyan pa ng pearls, nilalagyan pa ng stones, iba feathers, latex, whatever na look na gusto nyo gawin, i-express nyo yung self nyo. Editorial look is one of my favorite things na gawin. So, as you can see, may pagka-konting parang awful, pero later makikita nyo, ma-appreciate nyo yung color na combination na mangyayari dito. I've made the the lower liner na a bit pointed, you know, so ito yung vibe ko ngayon, may pagka-fierce ng konti, so I've created a point sa lower lash line. Yan, so ito siya. Now to set the liquid lipstick na nilagay natin, no, I'm going to use a warm brown eyeshadow using Huda Warm Brown Obsession. So I'm going to pick this color, this one, tsaka itong dark brown violet na eyeshadow. So combine ko lang sila. So this one, tap the excess, and then lagay natin sa lower lash line. Merong mga look sa editorial na not too perfect. There's some look na kailangan a bit messy, and that's what I like about editorial makeup eh. You know, you can go for a messy look, you can go too nude, hanggang sa too glamorous, too extreme editorial look. And then after that, start to blend with a clean brush. Para mas diffuse yung look. So I'm adding a little warmer color to blend lang. Then, we can also diffuse it using a pencil brush or a cotton buds. So we're almost done. So after I've applied the eyeshadow, I've already applied a little bronzer, a little nose contour, a little blush, and highlight. For the blush, I make it a point na a little subtle lang siya. So may a bit contrast pero it complements pa rin. More emphasized. And for the lips, I've combined Chili from MAC and VIXEN from Huda Beauty, no? Nilagay ko muna yung Chili as my all-over lipstick, and then for the center of my lips, I've applied the VIXEN to make it a little bit ombre, darker on the middle, and then medyo pa fade ng lighter side sa sides ng lips ko. So this is the final look. I've already applied eyelashes para makita nyo rin yung itsura kung may lashes ko anong effect niya. So maganda pa rin if you're going to use a thinner kind of lashes, thin and elongated lashes. Huwag masyadong makapal para ma-emphasize pa rin yung pagka-smokiness ng under ng waterline dito sa lower part ng eyeshadow natin, no? So this is the look. It's very it's like a vampy na grunge and fierce look. So yeah, this is one of the editorial na pwede ninyong gawin kung pupunta kayo ng party rin. And then the brows are more bushy and thicker tignan. So ito siya on a closer look. Yan. So yan yung look na iniin natin. And then let's try with the nude lipstick. So guys, this is the another look. I've created a nude brownish nude lipstick and I top it off with a little lip gloss para medyo buhay yung makeup natin dito sa editorial look para hindi siya masyadong fierce. So with this kind of eyeshadow, you could pair it with a red or brownish red or even a nude lipstick and a little bit of lip gloss. So guys, thank you and I hope you like this look, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon guys. God bless us all. Thank you. Bye bye.